and welcome to my bathroom. Today we're gonna wash my face. We're gonna use this Luna Fofo. I just got it. I've never used it. I downloaded the app on my phone. So let's try it out. It syncs via Bluetooth. You need to hold it down for like 5 seconds. There we go. And now it asks me for my skin type. Let's do a combination. My age, next. How does the sun affect your skin? That one. Hold the skin sensors to my right cheek.
Measuring is in progress. Finally, hold the skin sensors to your nose. Measuring is in progress. This is your new personalized cleansing routine. It has been saved to your Luna Fofo.
So I'm gonna remove all my makeup with my Clinique cleansing balm. If you don't know how to use a cleansing balm, you take it off like this. And you just rub it. My face is dry, my hands are dry. So now it's like a nice lube. And it just melts away makeup. And I'm one of those people that can't stand having anything in their eye. But this doesn't actually irritate me. So I'm gonna rinse this off and be right back. Okay, now that all my makeup's off and my face is nice and red, what we're gonna do is apply a bit of water onto my face with my cleanser. The one I'm using right now is this one. So this goes just all over. Just place it as so. It's vibrating. Maybe I can buff this little pimple away. Okay, so that was quite nice. Once I actually got the hang of it, it like buzzed heavier on my face, and my skin does feel pretty soft. I'm gonna use it a few more times. I'm not convinced. These aren't like the strongest bristles, and I mean, I do use microdermabrasion products regularly in my routine, so I don't really see the use of this. Anyway, we're gonna go on. I like to use a mask. Tonight I'm gonna use this rose gold sheet mask from Sephora. It's a nourishing formula, which I guess I need right now since the Foreo app just told me my skin is dry. This mask looks like Star Wars. I don't know the Star Wars characters, but this is definitely one of them. How long does this stay on for? 15 minutes. Okay, I'll be back in 15 minutes with some of my best Star Wars jokes. So something else, I like to put, when I have a sheet mask and there's extra goo on my hands, just to leave it all over my neck as well, because you can't neglect the neck. So, after a good 15 minutes of being an idiot, so I'm just gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna apply some skincare. so that's pretty much it for my nighttime routine. I'm probably just gonna watch some TV and go to sleep, have a tea. But yeah, I like to sleep with a lot of juice on my face, if you will. I like to give it a chance to fully absorb into my skin because I can't really look like this during the day, so I might as well have a spa treatment at night. Let me know what you use to refreshen your skin overnight. I'm really curious in the comments if we ever get there. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.